Hey there, it's Christy with Rapid Screening Centers, and I was just driving around and thinking of interesting DNA testing that we have done in the past, and one particular story came to mind that I wanted to share with you guys. It's pretty cool. So about 6 years ago, something like that, I get a call from a gentleman who was interested in a siblingship test. So I said, hey, great, we'll set you up, no problem. So we went through kind of some of the, just basic stuff. And then I was like, well, tell me your story. Why do you want to get the siblingship test done? So come to find out that this gentleman was vacationing in Tulum with his family, and he was fishing out on a dock and just randomly just hanging out with his family, having a good time. And a group of snorkelers came up. They were on a snorkeling cruise or whatever, and came up to the dock, and they were taking off all of their equipment. And they started chatting. Everybody just kind of got together and talking about their vacations and everything. This guy looks at this other guy and he's like, we look a lot alike. They were just uncanny. He's like, man, we just look a lot alike. And so they started talking, and things started to come together. So they were born in the same city, in the same state, and their father had both passed away when they were infants. And comes to find out they were born on the same day. So that's when things clicked in their mind, and they're like, this is crazy. So they call their wives over, their families over, and their families are starting to communicate and stuff. And as they're talking, the wives start jumping in. They said, man, these guys look exactly alike. They have the same mannerisms and the same facial features, and it's just crazy. So the families spent the rest of the week together vacationing and doing fun things, and then they went to their separate places. One gentleman lived in Denver and the other one lived in Texas. So that's when the guy in Texas calls me and says, man, I'm really interested in getting this paternity test. So we go ahead and send a kit to the gentleman in Denver and then the gentleman in Texas. They do the swabs and send them back to the lab. Well, lo and behold, the guys are twins. And it just blows my mind. Even by saying this, I have goosebumps on my arms, because the serendipity of coming together like that on this random dock in Tulum, Mexico is just phenomenal. I mean, the gods were smiling down, and this was kismet, I tell you. But anyway, it's pretty incredible. So those are the stories that we hear. I mean, that's just one of many that we hear. We don't just sell you a result. These results will change your life. This isn't a yes or no, but this will be life-changing. One way or the other, this will absolutely, unconditionally change your life. So that's pretty cool. That's why we love what we do, and we are here to serve you. So if you have any questions, please inquire below or give us a call, and we'd love to help you out. But yeah, just needed to share that story. It's pretty cool. All right, have a good weekend.